everyone, I'm Teacher Assha here from JB Preschool, JB branch. I hope all of you are fine. During this MCO period, I understand that everyone facing a lot of difficulties and challenges. So together we can overcome this by staying at home. Why we should stay at home? To prevent ourselves from the virus and to keep ourselves from transmitting the virus to the others. Stay home and stay safe. Do spend time with your family members. So here we are, JB Preschool teachers are challenging each other to do different kind of activities in MCO challenge. So I accepted my challenge. Here I am. I'm going to do egg muffin. I hope you stay tuned with me. Let's start on making our egg muffin for breakfast or snacks. So these are the ingredients that we need to make for egg muffin. So we need egg, cheese. You can use any type of cheese, tomatoes, onion, spring onion and carrot. So very simple ingredients that we need to make an egg muffin. If your kids don't like onion, you can change them to capsicums. Okay, then we need a black pepper and we need salt. So do prepare a big bowl with a whisk to stir them up. First of all, you have to stir the egg first. You can use whisk or you can use any spoon. Whisk them up, then stir them all together. Once you stir them up, you can mix all the cheese. You add the cheese, just stir a while. Depends to your kids. Okay, children, if you love vegetables, you can add more. Okay, now we're going to add a pinch of, and you stir a while. Then we will add a pinch of salt into it, then you stir. Once you stir them, okay, it's ready. You can use any type of mold. Okay, you can use plastic molds. Okay, we're going to bake this egg muffin. Okay, those who don't have oven at home, you can also steam them for 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. Steam them. Okay, use your muffin mold. Before we put this into the mold, we're going to apply some butter or you can apply oil. Now we already put in the mold. We're going to put inside the oven for 15 minutes. These are our egg muffin. Once you already bake for 10 to 15 minutes, it looks like this. Okay, you can have them with bread toast or sauce. Everyone, that's all for today. I hope you liked the video and do your own egg muffin. I'm going to challenge Teacher Ying Hui. She's such a creative and loving person. She will be doing science experiment for tomorrow, so stay tuned. And do like and share our Facebook page, JB Preschool, and also subscribe our YouTube channel, JB. Thank you so much.